Come to play time with Sarah and Drew. So much fun.
All right, what are we gonna go get?
Get some toys for me.
Get some toys for you.
Yeah.
That is so exciting.
Where's the toys go? Me.
Is there baby Drew?
Yes.
Who's that?
Baby doll, baby.
Oh, we are at the toy aisle. You ready to get down?
Yeah. My treat. The treats in the cars.
Wow.
Fire trucks. And the airplane. Wow. Wow.
There are so many toys.
Wow. Toys. 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 Wow, the race car super. Okay, guys, this hockey one. This is Hot cars. And the dragon goes this carpet cars here. The dragon cars is the these ones.
Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Awesome.
The cars, the tricks.
Did you just give him that box?
All right. 2139. Would you like a sticker?
Yes.
All right.
What do you say?
Thank you. A dragon.
Wow, and what else?
A car.
Oh, that's so cool. Do you want to open it?
Yes. This car, give me this car. Mom, this car. Give me this car.
Did the dragon take the car?
For me. For me. The dragon get my card.
Whoa, the car knocked down that dragon!
I want to do it. Missed it. Missed it.
It's a dragon.
Whoa!
Again. The car but go to this neighbor. I can get a yak. I gotta open the dash. Tail. He got the jewelry. Give me my car back.
What happened? Whoa! What color is that dragon, Xander?
Red! A dragon! So many Hot Wheels cars.
Yeah?
They're not gonna
Whoa! Fell over.
This car's sad!
Why is he sad?
Because the dragon run him.
Oh, the dragon got him?
Yes.
Oh.
But this car got past this car.
Oh. That's so nice.
Uh-oh, the pigger is happy.
Oh, he's happy?
Yeah, Mom's happy and Sue's happy. And Billy's happy.
Whoa.
Oh no, he's in water.
He's in the water?
Yes. Our car is in the
is the sheriff blocking them from going?
Yes. Uh-oh, sheriff.
Oh, you sat on it, you made it go off. Whoa, did he pop up?
I pop it, Rowdy. Wow, the shooty.
Ah.
Little puppy cars.
Baby likes little Hot Wheels cars?
Yes! And Sarah likes big Hot Wheels cars.
Whoa!
Oh, baby, dream.
All right.
Up to the dragon.
Welcome to the dragon.
Yeah. And then push the dragon.
Oh, what is?
No, say don't dragon welcome.
Oh. So do you like the Hot Wheels dragon?
Yes.
Are you happy we bought it?
Yes.
Awesome. Uh-oh, we gotta get going. Say bye. Thank you for playing.
Thank you for playing. Thank you for the playing, little dragon. That was the time it's real. And you